Two male bodies have been found near the Nancefield Hostel. According to an eyewitness, saw two men arrived to allegedly dump a body near the hostel when an argument ensued between the two, and the one man shot his accomplice and left him for dead. Police say the suspect is still at large and investigations are underway.
A shocking discovery behind the Nancefield Hostel as a passerby witnessed a body being dumped, and after an altercation, another man lose his life. It is alleged that a group of men were traveling in two cars when this incident took place.
A passerby noticed a red Toyota Corolla and a white VW Polo with 5 males alighting. They parked the car next to the rivulet at Cliff Valley Road, just before Nancefield Hostel. They were carrying something. They threw that thing into the rivulet. And when the passerby was still watching what's going on, the 5 guys that were carrying, who threw something into the river, were arguing, and one pulled a firearm and shot the other one.
The deceased are believed to be from the East Rand, with one of them being from Vosloorus and the other from Diepsloot.
One comes from Soweto Hostel in Vosloorus. He's a 32-year-old male. He has a licensed firearm, but we only found a holster on his waist. And the other one, deceased, it's a 41-year-old male. He comes from Diepsloot.
Police say the motive behind the killing is unknown at this point, but they are appealing to the community to provide any kind of information to help bring these criminals to book.
We don't know what is the motive of them killing the first person and throwing him, decide to drive from wherever they came from and throw him into the river next to Nancefield Hostel. And we don't know the purpose of why they killed the other one, who was part of them and helping them to dump the body of the previous one. We are appealing to our community, those who might have seen the number plates, those who might know who are these suspects, assist us.
Police say killings and hijackings are at its all-time high and now request communities to help fight the scourge of killings in our society. Mnisi, Soweto TV News at the Nancefield Hostel.